Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to see how we can set this particular extension. So this is an extension which is used for like start or restart your computer, and it will also have, so many products have only this thing, start and restart, but this one has the extension USB port. So they are USB 2.0 port and mic and audio jack. So where it is useful, when you have a different setup. So if you can see, that's my PC. So there is a place space just behind the speaker, so I put my computer there, and because of some reasons my wake up on LAN is not working, so I need to go there inside that gallery kind of thing and push a button in order to start my computer. So what I will do is I will attach this particular extension and place it on my above desk, so that I don't have to go there in order to start my computer. So it seems that it is a very big cable. So I think it's more than 1 feet. I think 2 feet it should be the length. So let's hope it will be enough for me. So this is another thing which they have given. So you can just put it and run through this hole, so that it will be more secure. So guys, this is my motherboard. So as you can see, there are a couple of things which I am able to find. So this is the front audio, this one F audio, F underscore audio. So that's the same port you can find inside this particular extension. So this one is SD audio, so front audio is equivalent to that. And then another port is somewhere here. So if I'm trying to zoom it, yes, so now you can see there is a power LED HT plus minus. Did I zoom too much? Okay, so we have PW for power switch and RS for another switch. So we see inside our ports, we do have power LED minus, power LED plus, okay, and we have reset switch and power switch. So only thing pending is USB. So USB will be somewhere here. So I have another extension port for USB. So one is already connected, so I have another one. So you have to find similar ports in your motherboard, so you can also have a reference from the motherboard manual. But most of the things will be visible here, because these days they mark your motherboard really well. So I will just try to do it and see. Okay, so first port is for LEDs and another section is for switches. So I need to be very careful about this, and we are not interested in like speaker. And there is a power LED. So we have different LEDs. So I'm now confused. What is P LED and power LED? So let's see. I will just take out these and find out what are those. And another thing, we need to take out one of these ports in order to add something. So I was thinking of removing this one, but now I realize that I might go with some PCI extension, so that will be very stupid of me if I put it here. So I will just use this one, third one, which will not going to be in a way of any kind of port. So I will just remove it by doing that, and I just need to peel it off like this. So in order to put your wire inside, you need to run your cable in from this. So you need to do it one by one so that every port will get inside, and then it will like should be settled here. So let's see. So guys, I have attached it. So as you can see, I have screwed this in, and it is very tight now. So it gets settled inside this loophole. And the other thing which I need to do is because the wire is very short, as you can see, that's a front audio and my USB port is here, and the length of this cable is very short, so I need to use jumper wires. So first I was thinking about like returning it, but I thought that I have a jumper wire, so I have used female to male one. So female, I have attached it to the desired ports and then run through this. So the cable will look like something like this. So it has a female from one side and male port from another side. So you can also use that with this, because most of the time front audio and USB ports are far away as compared to the front panel. So I think you also get run into this problem, so it can be solved like this. So now I will just pack this thing up and then see how it will go. And from the last time, let's see what port we have. So we have a start button, it's a restart button, and then we have two USB ports and one for a 3.5 mm headphone and another one for mic. So I hope everything works out well. So I have completed the setup. So as you can see, this is the light. I was thinking that it will be like blue, but it is white, but still okay. So all the buttons are working, even the headphone jacks, mics and USB ports. And this is how wire was going. So I think it's a little bit short for my setup. So this is the wire which is coming from this PC, and it is going through here, and then I have put it in bottom of the monitor. So it serves the purpose. So now I'm able to restart or apply a headphone. So it cost me around 1100 rupees in Indian rupee. So you can get the idea, because most of the shutdown buttons are available for around 600 to 700 rupees. So I thought if you get USB plus headphone jacks for around sorry, it's not 1100, it actually 1200 something is the final price. So I think if you get headphone jacks and USB port, it's worth the money. So if you have any question and comment regarding this, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video. Bye.